Hi everyone! Today I'm wearing a sweater made with our Merino number 5. So Merino number 5 is a super chunky yarn. So the project you can make it very fast. So this is 100% Merino wool. It's so soft and chunky and very fluffy. So this is Colorwork, which means you use more than two or three colors. You change the color of yarn. This is very simple pattern, but it's so cute. It's flowers. I love flower pattern. So this back it's like this, and this you can wear over a jeans or a skirt, dress, and it's so easy. So you can just put it on over shirt, even a sweater. I think this is perfect, perfect, and everyone should have this one. And this is what color is this?
Iceberg,
Iceberg,
bubblegum,
gum,
army green.
army green. And these colors are very, very pretty. But we also have this cafe and red. I think this is very cute combination too. So. And we also have polar bear. I think will be big. Polar bear happy. Look how pretty this is. And this is so cute. And I hope you like it. Ta!
If you like this video, please like and subscribe.